Dear learners and viewers, again welcome to my online class. How are you? I hope you are hale and hearty by the grace of Almighty Lord. I think you are staying home during this pandemic COVID-19 and following our online classes regularly. Dear learners, in my previous class, I taught you how to change reporting verb in case of changing speech or narration. Today, I will discuss how to change or how to remove inverted comma. So, let's see or let's learn. Narration, change of inverted comma. Today, I will learn how we can change or how we can remove inverted comma from the direct speech into indirect speech. We change when we will change a direct speech into an indirect speech, we have to remove the inverted comma, and instead of inverted comma we have to put that words. What is that? In direct speech, if the reported speech is in assertive sentence, instead of inverted comma there will be placed that. Instead of inverted comma we will place that. If the, for example, we can see a sentence in direct speech. My friend said to me, I want to go with you. My friend said to me, I want to go with you. Here, when we will change it into indirect speech, we can write, my friend told me. Here, said to is replaced by told. Reporting verb. This is called change of reporting verb. And inverted comma is replaced with that. So my friend told me that he. I is replaced by he. And want is replaced by wanted. To go with me. You is replaced by me. Here you is replaced by me. I think you can understand the sentence or you can understand the change of direct speech into indirect speech. So let's go in interrogative sentence. If the reported speech of a direct narration or direct speech is in interrogative sentence, if a WH word is replaced by inverted comma. Instead of inverted comma, we will write if or WH word. So now the question is, when we will write if or when we will write WH word? If the reported speech of direct narration or direct speech is started with an auxiliary verb, we will start or we will write if instead of inverted comma. For example, Rehana said to me, are you feeling well today? Rehana said to me, are you feeling well today? Dear learners, follow me. Here, the reported speech of direct speech or direct narration starts with R, which is an auxiliary verb. So, when we will change it, we will write if instead of inverted comma. And the indirect speech of this sentence will be, Rehna asked me. Here, said to is replaced by asked. Asked me if. Inverted comma is replaced by if. If I was feeling well that day. Here, You are replaced by I, are is replaced by was, and then today is replaced by that. Clear? Dear students, I think you will understand or you can understand this sentence. Next, when the reported speech of a direct speech if starts with any WH word such as why, who, whose, whom, any WH word, we can write this WH word instead of inverted comma. For example, teacher said to the student, why didn't you come to school yesterday? Teacher said to the student, why didn't you come to school yesterday? When we will sense the direct speech, we can write, teacher asked the student, why? Look at the board, why? We have written why instead of inverted comma. Here we have written why instead of inverted comma. Why? He. Here he is he mentions object of the reporting verb student. Object of the reporting verb student. As a student starts with S, we have written S in the bracket. And didn't is replaced by hadn't. And come is replaced by gone. To school the previous. Okay? I think you can understand this sentence. Next, if the reported space of a direct space is in emphatic sentence, the inverted comma is replaced by to. But after proposed, but if the reporting verb is proposed, if the reporting verb is proposed, it will that instead of inverted comma. For example, mother said to me, never tell a lie. Mother said to me, never tell a lie. Here, dear students, look at the board. Here, in this sentence, reported speech means an advice. Reported speech means an advice. So, we have written advised instead of said to. We have written advised instead of said to. Mother advised me. And inverted comma is replaced by to. Here we have written to instead of inverted comma. And then never tell a lie. Okay? But when the sentence means any proposal, when the reported speech means any proposal, then the reporting verb will be proposed instead of said to. And instead of to, there will be that. Inverted comma is replaced by that. So, my friend proposed to me that we should go for a walk. Clear? I think it is clear to you. Next, we will go in operative sentence. When the reported speech of a direct speech is in operative sentence, it will be that. It will be that instead of inverted comma. For example, father said, may Allah bless you. May Allah bless you. And it is an operative sentence. So, we have written, father prayed that. Instead of said, we have written prayed. Father prayed that. Instead of inverted comma, we have written that. Allah might bless me. able to understand these examples. And at last, if the reported speech of a direct speech is in exclamatory sentence, it will be that instead of inverted comma. For example, she said, "What a nice scenery it is." What a nice scenery it is. And in indirect speech, she exclaimed with joy that. Instead of said, we have written exclaimed with joy that. Exclaimed with joy that. And then we have we have brought it, which is the subject of the sentence. We have brought it at first, which is the subject of sentence. Then we have written first instead of is. A very instead of what is. A very has written instead of what is. Nice scenery. Can you understand? I think you can understand my today's class. So